Good morning, copiers and followers. Last week was another strong one for the markets, with the S&P 500 climbing back above 7,570, despite tensions in Iran. This week, however, could be far more important. The week is packed with macro events. Investors will be watching inflation data, major bank earnings, Fed Chair Kevin Warsh's testimony, and results from TSMC and Netflix. At the same time, rising oil prices and renewed tensions with Iran are adding another layer of uncertainty. The S&P 500 is approaching a key resistance level where the market has previously struggled to move higher. A pullback would not be surprising, especially with so many market-moving events packed into a single week. On the other hand, the market has shown impressive resilience. Despite several opportunities for sellers to take control in recent weeks, buyers have continued to step in. I am personally optimistic that the markets will finally surge to new highs if this week's news is supportive. The biggest event is Tuesday's CPI report. A softer inflation reading could strengthen expectations for lower interest rates and support equities. However, investors will likely focus just as much on how the market reacts, particularly as rising oil prices could keep inflation concerns alive. Tuesday also marks the start of earnings season, with reports from major banks JP Morgan, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Citi, and Wells Fargo. Beyond the headline numbers, management commentary on consumer spending, loan demand, and credit quality will provide valuable insight into the health of the economy. Later in the week, attention shifts to TSMC and Netflix. TSMC's outlook will be closely watched as a barometer for AI demand, while Netflix officially kicks off earnings for the major US technology companies. I believe our portfolio is set up for my optimistic outlook, and I'll be watching for opportunities in high-quality companies that have pulled back but still have strong long-term catalysts. If volatility creates attractive entry points, I'll be looking to add selectively. Have a successful week, and as always, it's a good idea to regularly add to your copy amount. If you are not a copier yet, it's a good time to start. See you until the next video.